It appears that Spice was on a hiatus. Families and friends, families and friends. I have an update on Grace Latoya Hamilton. You know her as Spice in her profession. I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them fret and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs for that say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rasta man and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier real fire king. Yeah, balalang bang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in here every time.
Greetings and salutations. Friends and families, welcome to Deep Roots TV. News coming in from the Dancehall website, Dancehall Magazine. Jamaica's dancehall queen, Grace Latoya Hamilton, aka Spice, is awake and taking great steps towards getting stronger, sources said. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an update, as you know, on Spice's condition, because rumors has been going around that she was in a coma, but it is being documented that the dancehall queen is awake after a health scare in the Dominican Republic. And this week, according to the source close to the family, now when they spoke to the members of the family on Friday, no one sounded nervous or worried. They said that she was doing well. Spice is talking. She is corresponding with them, and she is getting stronger each day. The family is asking for prayers at this time, the source told the local newspaper. But it sounds like something did wrong here. Cause if the man says she's talking and she's awake, then she probably did sleep. The 40-year-old entertainer, whose real name is Grace Latoya Hamilton, reportedly developed post-operative complication after cosmetic enhancement surgery in the island's nation. So what that they call it? Enhancement surgery. I think I did plastic surgery, they call it. The situation was not as bad as the media made it out to be, source said. Me want to know which source this, because they must say it's a friend of a family. Me no believe nothing, cause me no see her nor hear her yet. When Mrs. Spice, me we overstand it. But the newspaper documented, they said that Wednesday, Spice agent assured those concerned that she was not in a coma, nor did she suffer from a heart attack, but it has not slowed down outpouring support and well-wishings for the dancehall queen, friends and fans online. What you mean? Don't wanna worry about the dancehall queen. Several of her colleagues have taken to social media sharing prayers and heartfelt message wishing her a speedy recovery. Spice, Love and Hip Hop Atlanta castmate Yendi Smith wrote on Instagram, "We miss you here at Atlanta. Please come back. We need you," along with a clip of a ceremony by John Gray. Also, you had Jamaican singer D'Angel, who collaborated with Spice on a single, No Worries. Back in 2017, shared a clip of their music video with some words of encouragement for Spice. Where do I start? Shake my head. A lot of things been circulated in the media, but I'm here to say that the devil is a liar. So whatever you're going through, just know that God's in control and you will pull through this, Grace, she wrote. Let's all stop what we're doing right now and pray for Spice's speedy recovery. Back to normal. Lord, remember her kids, depending on her, and I can't imagine what they would do without her. No one should be judging or condemning at this time because we're all humans and anything can happen to anyone. Let's just all use kind words and continue to pray for Grace Hamilton, aka Spice, hashtag no worries, hashtag gotta deal with everything. Thank you, she continues. Now, Spice's other good friend and music colleagues, Pampete, also made heartfelt post. She shared a clip of their song Slim and Floppy from 2009 with a caption, God love you, on her IG story, and in another, a loving video of Spice and her daughter, Nicola Toy. Also, there were more love wishes for Spice. Lisa Hype, who ended her 12-year feud with Spice via an apology in 2020, shared a throwback photo post with the Ramping Shop DJ, a throwback poster showing them as Gaza Girl days. She expressed how the news of Spice's condition overwhelmed her to tears. Grace, you're gonna be okay by the grace of God. I love you, mama. You have me bawling like a baby. Please come home. Cover her, Lord, she wrote. Dancehall DJ Goody Plum, a former teammate dancer, also went on IG to express concern. She posted a throwback photo taken with Spice with the caption, I didn't know what it is, but something ain't right. Further asking followers to pray for the Queen of Dancehall. Guys, please send up prayers for Spice at Official Spice. Me not go in our history, but we've been friends since 2009. Now go back in our time. The past is the past. God a God. Hashtag blood coverage, Lord. Satan, you now win. Now, me know say uno really concerned about Spice. However, fans has taken different approach on IG seeking questions and answers. Several people have been bombarding Spice's close friends, including Richie Feelings, Carly Reed, Media Montana, and even ex-boyfriend Justin Budd with queries about the singer's health condition. On the Halloween post of Media, someone asked, hi, please to confirm, is Spice really in a coma because I'm seeing these bloggers saying prayers for Spice, and one just said her condition is critical. Another headed to Richie Feelings' IG page, demanding answer. Richie, I'm worried about Spice. The Blue family need to know that she's okay. Whatever is going on, I'm praying up Spice. I'm praying up for her. She's a fighter, and I trust that God will see her through. Amen. On Carly page, someone asked for an update. Carly, please give us an update on Spice. We all are worried. Bud, where are you? Bud was urged to go and take care of Spice, even though they are no longer together. Please go over there and take care of Grace, said one person. Another commented, please keep an eye on Grace. We love you. Spice is known for a slew of hit songs, including Some You Like It, Go Down There with Shaggy and Sean Paul, Sheet, Indicator, Genie, Fight Over Man, and Ramping Shop with Vibes Start Well. The artist's latest album, Emancipated, debuted at number 7 on the Billboard Reggae album chart. Her debut album, 10, was nominated for a Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album last year. In recent years, Spice has expanded her brand outside the confines of dancehall by co-starring in the VH1 reality series Love and Hip Hop Atlanta and championing her own clothing line, Garcia Nore. Ladies and gentlemen, we are wishing Spice the best of recovery and get well soon. And I'm happy to hear that she's not, in a coma. She's awake. She's getting stronger. But of course, it appeared that she was really hospitalized and people are keep it hush hush. Boy, me I hope she make it back because me are looking at the comments them and enough people know what me know. Enough people make it to DR but they don't make it back without a scar. You are gonna T-star. Cause the people them must say some people go over there and have kidney missing when they come back. Rotted! I hope I know that them do to you, Spice. You are gonna T. I'm telling you long time that you look real nice. No reason for your cut and slice. I'm more life and I'm more joy and I'm more happiness, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV. My best of well wishes to Spice. Get well soon. Like and share and subscribe if you have not. Leave your comment and let me know what you think. Cause I'll know me no see Spice. I'll know me no hear Spice. What a guan pan, what a guan. With me dancehall queen. She no inna the land.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And it's so black people I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shit and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier real fire king. Yeah, balang bang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect. Make sure to tune in the year every time.
Yeah, Ron Marley, Deep Roots TV. Blessed love, see it? Rastafari.